What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy. And yes, it has hit another green candle guys. This graph is looking amazing. Over the last 24 hours it has gained just about 4%. Nothing major, but the fact is that it has hit another green candle and it is trading at just below the 4 cents target. Every day it is getting closer and closer to hitting 4 cents. In fact, earlier this morning it essentially did just about hit the 4 cents target guys. This was earlier on this afternoon, a couple of hours ago, before it took a dip back down in value. But yes, the 4 cents target has nearly been hit earlier this afternoon. But the fact is that it has dropped back down. So when can it essentially hit 4 cents and head upwards from there, hitting 5-6 cents over the coming weeks? That's what we'll be going through, looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it before it crashes back down? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? Again, covering buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, we are still at the top tier level, still trading very well, and more than likely it will hit another new all-time high over the coming days and weeks, which I will be going through later on in the video. And before I do that, let me hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for the price prediction. But again, before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the MACD indicator giving us the average value, sorry, not the MACD indicator, the SMA indicator giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple, at 0.025 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at 0.037 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are seeing the blue and the orange line are looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Not looking too steep, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping just to around 0.035 cents in value is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at before it starts to hit green candles again tomorrow afternoon, evening time, heading closer to the 4 cents target by mid next week is what my expectations are. So moving on to the hourly chart, over the next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days. By the end of next week, I'm expecting it to essentially head around 0.045 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid to end of next week, and potentially heading up to 5 cents by mid month, so around the 15th of June is what I'm expecting from Jasmy at the moment. So moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks. Now we're looking very bullish, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading upwards towards the bullish direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major increase in value that's taking place over the last few days. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming weeks. And again, yes, it is likely to go for an overall increase in value. However, it is also likely to hit red days in between as well. But again, guys, Jasmy has been quite volatile, and not just Jasmy but the crypto market in general. But if there are any major updates, I will let you guys know and keep you guys updated. But I do regular updates on Jasmy either way on a daily and weekly basis, so make sure you guys stay subscribed to the channel for regular updates on the crypto. However, over the next 2 months, so mid to late July, I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading closer to the 10 cents target. It may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, it is possible and it is a reasonable figure that Jasmy should be able to hit by July-August time. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. There isn't much to say here because it is at its highest point and it is more than likely going to keep hitting new targets over the coming weeks and months. As I mentioned, 5, 6, 7, 8 cents. So which it should be good to go at the moment, and it has been performing very well as well. But then again, as I mentioned, I'll keep you guys updated. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website now, we can see that the trading volume has taken a dip down by 8% in the last 24 hours, making it over $427 million in trading, guys, which is again still a huge amount. However, the reason it has dropped is because earlier on in the day it did go through the red level here. It did take quite a dip before it pumped back up earlier this afternoon, and right now dropping again in value. And over the month, over the week, it has gained 50%, and over the month a massive 125%, guys. So the crypto has been performing very, very well, and personally the 10 cents target is just around the corner for Jasmy. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting Jasmy to go in 2024, and can it potentially hit the 10 cents target? Let me know, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.